Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change YouTube channel name on mobile. So if you also want to change YouTube channel name on mobile, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon YouTube. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you open YouTube, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for home, shorts, subscriptions, and you. Simply tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your channel name. You'll be able to find several options like switch account, Google account, etc. You'll also be able to see your history and playlists over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for view channel. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to see your channel. You can edit your channel from here. You'll be able to find the option for manage videos. Also, you'll be able to find the edit icon over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the channel settings interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find your name, handle, pronouns, channel URL, description. If you want to change your name, simply tap on the edit icon that you can see right next to the name. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to change the name of your YouTube channel. The changes to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So simply change your name. Now after you change your name, what you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, your YouTube channel name will be changed. Let's go back. Now you can see over here your YouTube channel name has been changed. So that is how you change your YouTube channel name on mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.